Hey, travel enthusiasts, got your passport ready? Today I'm diving into the top budget-friendly travel destinations for 2025. If you're dreaming of breathtaking sights, rich cultures, and incredible adventures that won't empty your wallet, this guide is for you. Let's jump in. First up, Vietnam. Best time to visit? February to April and August to October. Picture yourself cruising through Ha Long Bay's iconic limestone karsts, or exploring Hoi An's lantern-lit streets. And guess what? You can do it all for just $30 to $50 a day. Next, let's head to Portugal. Perfect from March to May and September to October. Wander through Lisbon's historic neighborhoods or unwind on the stunning beaches of Algarve. Tasting port wine in Porto's Douro Valley sounds amazing, right? All this for about $50 to $100 per day. Now Greece. The best time to go is April to June and September to October. Whether it's the ancient ruins of Athens or the sunsets in Santorini, Greece is a dream come true. And it's budget-friendly at $60 to $120 per day. Let's talk about Mexico. Best time to visit is November to April. From the ancient ruins of Chichen Itza to the vibrant nightlife of Cancun, Mexico has it all. And it's affordable too at $40 to $80 per day. Don't miss Indonesia, specifically Bali. Visit between April and October. Imagine exploring Ubud's lush landscapes or enjoying Seminyak's chic beaches, all for $30 to $60 per day. Colombia is up next. December to March is the best window to visit. From Cartagena's colorful colonial architecture to Medellin's cultural transformation, Colombia is vibrant and diverse, and it's wallet-friendly at $30 to $70 per day. Last but not least, Thailand. November to February is your best bet. Discover Bangkok's bustling markets and temples or the serene mountains of Chiang Mai. All this for just $30 to $80 per day. Now let's talk tips for budget travel. Plan ahead. Booking early can save you big bucks. Travel off-peak, shoulder seasons can cut costs. Use public transport. It's an economical way to explore. And eat like a local. Street food and markets offer delicious and affordable options. So there you have it, 7 amazing destinations for 2025 that won't break the bank. From Vietnam's scenic landscapes to Greece's historic sites, there's a world of affordable adventures waiting for you. Pack your bags, embark on an adventure, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels!